Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Now, at number 2, we're on the Upper West Side, and we got a special one. One of the biggest condos in the neighborhood. 4,000 square feet of pure elegance. Roll the clip. First, we start in the foyer, and honestly, this apartment is so expensive, I barely know where to begin. But let's kick things off with this elegant powder room. It instantly sets the tone for the charm and sophistication you'll see throughout. The entry foyer opens into a stunning 22-foot gallery, gracefully connecting the east-facing dining room to a sun-drenched living room that wraps around the southeast corner. But don't worry, we'll explore the living room a little later. Let's check out the kitchen. The kitchen's a chef's dream. It features a cozy dining nook by the window, perfect for morning coffee or casual meals. You have marble countertops, custom cabinetry, and a top-of-the-line Miele appliances, including a 6-burner Vennet stove with a pot filler. It's not just high-end, it's high-function. You've got space, storage, and style. And one of my favorite things about this kitchen, you have a wet bar with a wine fridge and extra storage. Every detail was thoughtfully designed in this kitchen here. But let's check out the secluded primary suite. The primary suite is essentially its own private wing. This space is grand. The suite includes 2 fully outfitted dressing closets. You have plenty of room for the seasonal rotation and then some. You also have a luxurious en-suite bath with heated floors, double sinks, a soaking tub, and an oversized glass shower. This bathroom is true spa quality. Even the lighting in here hits just right. Warm, soft, and relaxing. I mean, it gets no better than this. But let's check out the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is framed by oversized windows and flooded with soft natural light. This primary bedroom blends elegance with intentional design, warm wood tones, high ceilings, and soft light make everything in here feels curated to calm and inspire. Now, let's head to the other wing of the apartment. We're going to pass back through the dining room and into the grand 27-foot living room. The living room have 2 windows that face east over the museum park and 3 that face south, offering tree-lined views and an incredible sense of light and space. This room is honestly made for entertaining. This wing smartly separates the 3 additional bedrooms from the entertaining areas. Here you'll find a laundry room, and just off the hall, we have another bedroom. Adjacent to this bedroom is a bathroom. The bathroom is beautifully finished with sleek tiles and elegant fixtures. Then here we have a mudroom with additional storage and another entrance. Next we have the third bedroom. It's generally sized with plenty of natural light pouring in. Whether you use it as a guest suite or home office is versatile and thoughtfully laid out. And just off the bedroom, you got a beautifully finished bathroom. Clean lines, sleek fixtures, and a modern stand-in shower. It gives it a fresh, contemporary feel. It's private, practical, and blends seamlessly with the rest of the home's design. And finally, we got the last bedroom. It's generously sized, filled with natural light, ready for whatever you need it to be. This apartment is a true rarity on the Upper West Side, a perfect blend of scale, elegance, and location. One of the Upper West Side largest condos going for $8.995 million.